What's going on, everybody? I'm here hanging out with my buddy Chris,
Hi.
and we're gonna open up Brilliant Stars. Show them what we're gonna open. Yeah, we have a booster box here, 36 packs. He's brand new to the set, so we're gonna have a pretty good time opening up this pack, huh? Or this whole box. So I brought him over because he's never opened up the set, so it's gonna be a really good exposure for him. And plus, I need a good luck charm, and I think he's gonna be a good one. He's gonna be a good one. You ready for this?
Yes.
Give me a high five. All right, I'll do the first one. All right, pack number 1. Flip down, 1, 2, 3, 4 into the front, and then here we go. So for organizational purposes, I like to put that one up here, and then we'll just look at the cards. All right. And then, so this one's a holo rare, and I like to keep those a little bit off to the side. So I like to turn it that way. Oh, look, and I got a hit. But hey, we have our first hit already. We have a Honchkrow V. Great. Yeah, I'll put that like that. Okay, go for it. So small back here.
I'm not strong today.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there you go. So put it on your side. Mirror mine.
No, wait. You're gonna put yours on that side.
Perfect. I like that guy.
No.
Awesome. Good job. So I like Ice Cube. Do you know what he looks like when he has the cube on his head? It's a penguin, right? And his head is an ice cube. So it has a face, and what is it called? It has a face, and that's it really. So when he gets hit, that head is actually a protection. So it could withstand the first hit. And then when he gets hit, he turns into this guy right here. He turns into that guy.
After he gets hit?
Yeah, so that's what he really looks like.
Because the cube fall on. Or breaks.
Yeah, I like it. It's cute. Yep, so I got no hit, but we got a holo Dusknoir and a reverse holo Dribble. Water energy. There you go. Maybe it is twice as hard. Magnetar. Can't get enough of these energies. Like, you get too many of them. What do you do with your energies, Chris?
I don't know. I usually, if I have my full deck, like all of my Pokemon cards in one binder, I put those in the back.
Nothing. You put them in the back?
Like in the back. So you saw how I had my things, my cards in order, in type, right?
Yeah.
I usually do that, but with energies.
Oh, cool.
So I do the same thing with the energies. Dark energy.
Double turbo. I like that art. I'm collecting those.
That was the first card I ever pulled, Magmar.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Ooh. More grams.
Oh, we got a hit.
Ooh.
Nice. We're 1-1 right now. We're even. This light is still bothering me though. Like, yeah. It was never like that before. Why is it like that now? I got another Magmar. Up then. Okay. Okay.
Since this is Arceus, I have a feeling that this is good. I don't know why.
Oh, the
Arceus or Arceus.
Okay.
I don't know how you say it.
he's calling it. We're gonna get a good one right now. Let's see.
Oh.
And he has a V-Star marker.
Like, what was that card? Where did I put this?
That's an energy. For me, yeah. You could fit an energy pile.
I'm like, why is the card like that?
That's pretty new. You know, they did that for the first time in this series, so it's like throwing everybody off. It's kind of weird.
Brand new.
I still don't know what it is. I still don't know what it is.
Woo!
All right, so we have a CHR card. That's hey, put it next to Whimsicott.
iPod?
Put it next to Whimsicott. There you go. Put it next to on the side.
Good call, kid.
I caught.
Nice. I'm losing. It's not a competition, but I'm losing. It's not an Arceus, so I'm not gonna get anything good. So the card that you just pulled right now, this guy right here, he's part of the CHR series. This is called Trainer Gallery. I call it CHR because that's what the Japanese call it in the set that it came from. I like these. These are what I'm collecting, and even more than an Arceus or Charizard. But they're nice to get. They're nice to get. They're nice to get. I'm not gonna lie about that one. Alright, there's 30 cards in that set. Aw, no good. There's 30 cards in that set, and all I want to do is just collect every single one of those cards.
And we're off. Ooh,
Oh, nice.
friend.
Nice. Well, the crazy thing is, the first time I opened up the box, we got 12 hits out of the first box and then 15 hits out of the second. That's crazy. And normally we get 6 or we get 8, and now we're getting like a lot. So, that's the reason why I like this set so much, so we can get more hits. But we still got a lot more packs to go. A lot more packs. Give me something. Nope. Striking out.
Matching energy. Fighting. Oh, sorry.
Perfect.
There.
Farfetch. I like that card too.
Ooh.
I like the fire. Alright.
12, so 6. I've done 6. To 12.
Oh,
Ooh.
I'm not getting anything. We got Empoleon and Roseanne's backup. A little ultra left. Yeah, perfect. Oh, I already see it.
Yes.
I already see it hit. Wow. Alright. And it's a card I need too.
Isn't that always a good call?
Go
The
Chris.
excitement.
Go Chris. Go Chris. Go Chris. Oh, he has 2 hits. Woo.
Ooh.
Your Shifu. Just one more
Ooh,
card.
Shifu.
What's behind it?
Ah. Where did I put? Oh, yeah.
On that. Yeah. Let me see that card. Wow. Thanks, Chris. I needed this. I got the other one. What do you think about this black and gold?
That's cool.
Yeah.
There's a little orange outline.
But Chris already has 3 hits, and I only have 1. What's going on this side over here? It's the loser's side. He picked the right cards anyways. He's like, oh, it's easier. And I'm putting him in the wrong spot. Because I'm nervous. No. Ask him. Ask him. Yeah, that's the right pile, but you've been putting the wrong cards in there. It's fine. Just put them up.
Oh.
Yep. Lesson learned. Lesson learned.
I'm like, why is it like that?
Yep. You're getting nervous too. I'm getting nervous. We're both nervous.
I'm like, why is it?
Right.
Ooh and
Nothing. All right.
It's a good one.
Hopefully, one of my friends was opening them. He's like, if this one's hard to rip, this is a good pack. I'm like, if you can't open it, you'll never see what cards are in there. You'll never see what cards are in there. Nothing. Now you opened that one really nice. Like this is the type that would go into my folder if I was collecting a set. Look at this.
The wrapper? Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Save it.
Saving it. Oh wow! You got another hit. Well, that's 5 in this box, but only 1 on this side. Oh my gosh.
I guess he did pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'll watch it too.
2 views. Us. It'll just be us. It's okay. You know what? It's coming. I already see something. I feel it. I feel it. What is it? Oh, we got an Arceus. Nice. Check that guy out. Finally, I'm catching up. I'm catching up.
You literally have God on your side.
I did.
Purple energy. Oh, it's moving Jolteon. Ooh.
Oh.
Ah.
Well, eggs. That means good luck. I haven't even pulled a V-Star card either. It's kind of weird. Or I haven't. But I haven't been pulling anything, so it doesn't matter. Oh, look.
Oh, I just
Another egg. Another egg.
Another egg.
That's the same egg.
More eggs.
More eggs.
Somebody got a dozen eggs.
Alright, okay.
Oh.
Nope. Oh. I'm checking all your wrappers. I'm like, which one is it? Is this the lucky one? I gotta remember who was on it.
School fetched. Ooh.
Oh. Shaman. I got a shaman. Gotta make sure. Electric energy. Master of the Cafe. We got Gloria, Nosepass. Yeah, Cubchoo, Shanks. My favorite. Oh, I got a.
Mewtwo?
Yeah.
Nah, nothing.
And he got another V-Star card. Wow.
That's the second one.
I know. We need to play a game. It's like you get 5, you get something. I don't know.
I'm on top.
I just don't know what you get yet.
Traded it with
Yeah. But it has to be in the same box or whatever, or the same opening.
What did you like to do?
And you have the video recorded.
Oh, it's still a little rainbow.
Yeah, we got a hollow. I'll let you throw the next one. We'll see where it goes. Fighting energy. The backup girl again. Snot boy.
Let's go for
My
fetch.
favorite card. Oh no.
It's still.
Oh. Wow. But what is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Let's see.
Oh my god.
I can't keep these together.
It's okay. Don't worry about it because you're bending them.
Sorry.
Yeah, don't worry about it. We're gonna see anyway, so it doesn't
Yeah,
matter.
True.
Woo!
Cynthia's.
Alright, you got a trainer card. You know who Cynthia is?
Not that I remember.
She is a trainer that is really difficult.
Yeah, I seen it. Yeah.
Real difficult. Let's look at this one more time.
She was from. What was it? What game?
Diamond and Pearl. She is the hardest trainer ever. Like hard. There is no levels. There is no levels. So you just play the game, right? And normally it's easy. You don't have to worry about leveling up your Pokemon. Well, for the serious players you do, but you know, for the regular, just I'm gonna play through the game. Nah, you could just go through, you know, and you level up as you go. But this girl just kicks your butt. I got something, so I'm excited. Yeah, it's gonna be the same card. Watch. What is it?
Oh, Flagon.
So this is called the Ford, like legitimately. All right, I finally got another hit and something I don't have, which is great.
Let's go.
You like that? We have anime in the background now.
Yeah, what?
We have anime in the background. He's concentrating. Oh, he has a hit.
Oh,
More Pico. Nice. Let me see that. We got another one. Look at his eyes in the camera right here. Look at his eyes. Evil. You know, I was saying how I like this set so much because you could possibly get 2 hits. Nobody's getting 2 hits. But this is my chance. It's called bonus round. Bonus round when you get more points, more hits. And you've been pulling all of them, so I'm sure there has to be something on this side for me, right?
I was surprised with these first two because.
Oh look, I got a V-Star card. I'm sorry. You got your what were you surprised about? Which ones did you get?
These two because I've never seen like this art and then I didn't see the orange.
Oh yeah, so this is from the that subset that I'm excited to collect, right? And what is it called? Yeah, I like those. And nothing.
That's one. Starby and nothing.
Come on, Shaman, let's go. It's too perfect. I see you, energy. Oh, eggs is good luck, right? And the belt to keep everything still. My favorite type of art. This guy's cute. That's my favorite art. Are we gonna get anything? And no, bust.
Let's go.
Damn.
It's still a dragon.
Hey, dragon's good. Dragon's good. And we're using the dragon
Dragon mat.
mat too. So the actual debate is Charizard really a dragon?
Yeah.
Is he? He is,
Yeah,
right?
he is.
He is. Better be. But he's just dragon type. Haha, steel. Big nose. Bunch of people. Got the milks. I got a CHR. Nice. And I think I have something back here. Nope. Oh, fakey. When I sit back here, I'm almost the same size as him. Except he has a big head. And I got a small head.
I'm just goose thief. Alright. Ooh, gotcha.
Garchomp. Last pack magic. And it's a Charizard. But I better get 2 hits because I'm losing 4 to 6 right now.
2 hits in here. Or
Yeah.
else.
Then I could tie. I can at least break even. I don't know.
But if I get a hit in here, then
When you hear this guy? You hear this guy? Wow.
It's saying if.
Whoa, look, this one's backwards. Why?
What?
What is that?
Backwards.
We'll leave it in there. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I can't do it in there. You never saw what I did. I
Go.
cannot. Whatever.
That one's backwards. Alright, I got an error pack already, so that means I'm gonna get a lot of stuff out of this one.
Oh, V-Star.
Yeah, I got a V-Star card,
Double
some
turbo.
double energy, Prinplup. Got more eggs. Eggs are not lucky. I thought they were lucky, but they're not doing anything for me. We got that backwards card, and it's my bird, and I have a hit, and I got a Mimikyu. All right. Well, my last pack magic was
Oh, you put a
So-
double energy.
somewhat magical.
My last pack.
Last pack magic for Chris. I'm rooting for you.
Come on. Trash. Versus 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Turn energy. Turwig. So clink. With nothing.
Oh. All right, so we'll just do a quick recap. I'll do mine real fast. I have a Flygon V, Fort, and a CHR Octillery. My niece calls this one Takoyaki. It's cute. Mimikyu, Arceus, and Honchkrow V. Awesome. Chris got 6. So you have. You know what? I think most of the cards that you pulled, I don't even have. So good job. Thank you. You are lucky. Yeah, Morpeko V, Cynthia's Ambition Trainer card, Single Strike Urshifu UR card. I needed this guy because I have the other one. And we have the Jolteon CHR card. Great. What else do we got?
Which are basically the same, except for the one that has V-Star.
Yep. So that means that that's playable in the game. Yeah.
Yeah.
When's it got?
What's it got?
Alright, so we just got done opening up 36 packs. This booster box was pretty cool. Chris is the winner. He got 6 hits and I only got 5. I was catching up though. I was trying to catch up, but I knew that you were going to be lucky, you know, and I let you choose what cards you want to, you know, open up packs, and I'm glad that you did that because, you know, if he chose exactly which packs, I would get 0 hits. So thank you very much for hanging out with me, man, to open up these packs. How did you feel about opening up a new set?
I felt good about it. I got a lot of cards that I haven't seen before.
Oh, cool.
Like this one, this one, this one I haven't seen before.
Yeah. Do you know who Morpeko is?
Yes.
So he was calling out Morpeko and then these guys right here. Yeah, he hasn't seen them. Awesome. I appreciate you hanging out with me. What I want to do is I want to give you some cards. Pick 3 of those that you like out of that.
Out of these ones?
Yeah. Out of all that.
All of them?
Yep. Oh, cool. Show it to the camera. Which ones did you pick?
Whimsicott V-Star.
Uh-huh.
Arceus V.
Yes, we can't even see it.
Yeah, I can.
We can't even see it. And then the Jolteon CHR. Awesome. Well, yeah, no, you're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for hanging out with me.
Oh,
It was fun.
yes.
We want to do it again?
I'm sure.
He's not sure yet. Maybe for another set.
Okay.
Yeah, because I need more luck. I need all the luck I can get. And, you know, I always like to bring people on these videos. So, you know, we can have you again. We can have some more people. You got friends? We can fill up this whole table. Yeah, they could bring their own cards. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. We got a good amount of hits and I'm happy about that, but I'm more happier hanging out with this guy right here. Look at his rosy cheeks. It's good. But thanks again for coming. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video.
Bye.
Alola.